I spent a week living near an active volcano. The air was thick with ash, and the ground was hot. Exploring lava rocks and steam vents was intense. The heat was overwhelming. Cooking was tough with ash falling everywhere. I relied on a small camping stove. Sleeping was hard with the volcano glowing and rumbling all night. I wore a gas mask to breathe through the ash clouds. It was eerie and dangerous. Watching lava flows from a safe distance was both scary and amazing. After a week, I packed up, relieved to have survived. Living in a volcano zone was my most dangerous experiment yet.